Fujian Xinyun Machinery Development Company Limited is located in Quanzhou City, Fujian Province in China. It's a professional sales of toilet paper machine, napkin paper machine, facial tissue machine, hand towel paper machine, pocket tissue machine, all kinds of tissue paper cutting machine and packing machine, complete production line, etc. We have our own processing center to guarantee the quality of machine and quickly delivery, advanced technology, convenient operation, good in quality and cheap in price. Products are exported to South America like Chile, Argentina, Peru, Africa like Egypt, Nigeria, South Africa, Middle East like Saudi Arabia, Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Europe like Spain, Romania, Greece, and so on. Praised by the majority of users. We're glad to supply the solutions and new technical in-paper machine field. These years, we committed to the development of high-quality, high-efficiency, energy-saving, environmental protection new products, service in paper-making machinery industry. If you're interested in developing your own paper machine factory, or you need to know how to start tissue paper business, welcome to contact us. We will recommend you suitable machines with reasonable price. We'll help customer to arrange shipment and send engineer to customer's factory to install machines and train workers. We are willing to work with customers at home and abroad to create brilliant. Fujian Xinyun Machinery Development Company Limited invites and welcomes customers to visit China and our company.